I've just had a box of bits turn up, but before I can open it, I've got to get today's work planned and arranged in the workshop. I wish I had a massive workshop with loads of space sometimes. That would just make my life so much easier. This is what I was hoping it was going to be. I'll tell you how this came about. I put a picture up on my Instagram. Nothing interesting, I was just playing around with my camera, took a cool photo, put it on Instagram, and that was of this old helmet, which is a bit battered, a bit worn. I've crashed in it a couple of times. It needed replacing. You never guess who reached out to me? Of course, Arai. So that's why I've got a box of bits. There's no better feeling. I really need to get on with some work, but there is a bike meet tonight, so I might test it out on the way there. Got to replace the fork seals, and I always crack off all the bolts on the front end before jacking it up. It's just easier that way. That should not be that tight. Now, I'd never usually leave the mudguard on, but this has got a rounded off bolt that I cannot get off. So I'm going to take it off and then do it on the bench. And now the most important bit, cleaning it all down before putting it back together. Now I need to clean up the stanchion, any tiny little nicks. I use a bit of 400 wet and dry and then 1000 wet and dry. And at that point, the most annoying thing that happened while filming happened. I ran out of batteries. So in the meantime, I've got the fork leg back together and the second one is now on the bench, ready to be filled up with oil. And you can check the air gap with most forks with just a ruler. New nut and bolts for the ones that we had to ruin getting out. This is now done, couple hours of boring admin, then we're going to the bike meet. Before I go, the helmet needs a camera mount. I found the best ones are curved, but you'll always see that helmets are never flat. So I have sticky pads of the same sticky material, 3M VH B, very high bond, and then all you do is you cut them out, fill in the grooves, make it flat, and then stick the pad on top of that. Works a treat. You can even double the layer up. I lied, I'm gonna go flat mount instead. I ain't going nowhere. They've also sent me out a jacket. Trust me, it is not lost on me how lucky I am to get this kind of stuff. I don't know why I picked green. I just thought it was pretty cool. So many layers. I do not need all these. Cool, they're all zipped in though. It's a great jacket. Guess I should put boots on. So I haven't been to this bike meet for, I'm going to say 7 years. They used to do it every Friday night in Norwich, Whitwell Station. The reason I haven't been in so long is because this is the first road bike I've had that I've actually been able to use for ages. I work on people's bikes every day, but I just haven't had one for myself in a long time. Oh, the downshifter is so good on this bike. That does not look good. So the reason I've gone for an adventure jacket is because in a few weeks time I'm going to be going from here, Norwich in the UK, all the way to the Alps. A couple of days, spend a week in the Alps and I'll come back. So what better than an adventure jacket? I've got the matching trousers as well to do it on. That is rain. I was literally just saying I've got the waterproof trousers at home in that box and I didn't wear them. What an idiot. Oh, I love a resurfaced road. It's like 6 inches deep in gravel just there. Oh my god. Ooh, nothing like a flood as well. Double whammy. Jesus, busy around here, isn't it? Whitwell Station on a Friday night has seen up to 1,000 bikes in one night, and there is everything here. Moderns, classics, customs, everything you can find, and it's just a big group of nice people meeting at a place that offers food and drink on a Friday night. What more can you want? And it was nice to bump into a load of people, some that are customers and I do work for, others that just watch the channel.
All right,
how's things?
Not too bad. Yeah, I'll follow your lead. See it with a track bike and that.
Yeah, good.
How's it going?
Yeah, really good, really good.
Shorter than what you look on video. Sorry, I didn't mean that horrible way.
I know, I'm tiny. I'm 5'5",
How you
really
getting
short.
on with your track bike though?
Absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Well, Hembury, Brands,
Which is the best one?
Cadwell.
Cad.
I think everyone says that, don't they?
Because of the hills. Well,
There you
got
go.
to. He's got an MT10 now.
Oh, nice. That's a good little track bike. Brands Netterton.
That's good, isn't
Hey
it?
mate, you alright?
You can't complain, can you?
You on it?
Oh, yeah.
How's things?
Yeah, mate, on it. Ride superb.
Perfect. That's what you want, isn't it? That's exactly what you want.
Yeah, brakes better. And
See you around. See you soon. Hello, mate. How are you?
Oh, well, he was alright.
Why? What have you done?
Slap the country now.
Coming here?
Yeah, 50 was good. Come and get it. And
Cup of tea, that's what you want. Thank you. You look identical to your brother.
he's 10 minutes older than me.
Is he? Oh, that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, he's just short.
All right. How you doing? Not bad, yourself?
What was it then? Come on. Have you done it?
What's that?
Husqvarna, yeah?
What
Have you looked
Husky?
at it? Did you look at any of it?
I think we looked at it, it's had a charging issue.
Have it?
Yeah, I'm pretty certain it's got a charging issue. So it's got
I
like
don't think it's something bad, I don't.
no, I think it's I think it's either a reg rec or a stator. Nothing
I don't
crazy.
think that's crazy. Are you still playing on that BM?
That's what I'm here at the minute. I've only got it for another week.
Right, for subs to get fucking free so I can go flying around.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, that's me. What's that?
I rang you earlier asking about CBR 125.
Speak to you on the phone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's an 05.
I was driving when you spoke to me.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, did I miss that? Cool.
Did think I've not seen you post a single 125. I'm like, I don't think you would, but it was worth a crack.
Do you ride down on your?
Yeah, yeah, because I think together we were sat in your room watching TikTok and your CBR 400 video. Was it 400? This the inline four? Is it
yeah,
250?
Oh, I was riding that.
Yeah.
That was such a cool bike. Yeah, mate. Let's get out of here. Number one rule of a bike meet, don't leave it like a dickhead. I've had this bike a few weeks now. I think next time we'll review the BMW.